Grass is a poor meal for a growing cub, and starvation in summer is a real threat. But this opportunity to feed is one she cannot afford to ignore. It's time to gamble. Her cubs follow her. She urges them to stay back. The males are twice her size, but preoccupied with feeding, they tolerate her presence. The distress calls of her cubs, however, attract unwelcome attention. Their mother rushes to shield them with her body. But she seems torn between guarding her family and feeding herself. Cubs left by themselves are easy prey for a hungry male bear. But now, her maternal instincts take over. Having fought her way in, her cubs can now feed for the first time in weeks. Polar bears were once the supreme hunters on the sea ice. Now, each summer, more and more of them have to come to land in search of food. Whether the ice bear survives into the next century depends on what happens to the sea ice on which they rely. As with all of the Arctic Ocean's remarkable wildlife, it's how the climate changes over the coming years that will determine their future.